Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I upload DIYs and interior design content. My name is Ashley and this is Interior.Break. Alright guys, so I'm so excited about today's video because I'm going to be doing a pantry makeover. But before I get into this makeover, I want to show you guys what this pantry looks like. Come on. So my plan for this space is to basically create a luxurious look for an affordable price. So let's talk about one of the main issues I have with this pantry, and it's definitely these metal shelves. I do not like the metal shelves. They're not aesthetically pleasing to me, and they're definitely not functional because items constantly keeps falling through the little holes. So shout out to Becca for showing me this couple on Instagram called Newlyweds, where they basically figured out a way to cover up these metal shelves. So we're gonna kind of recreate the look with our own twist to it. So let's go see Johanna and see what she can do to recreate this look.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make pantry shelf coverings. A lot of homes come with these wired shelves in closets and pantries. They work, but a lot of things can fall through them and they just aren't very pretty. So today we're going to be making wood coverings to go over the wired shelves. Like any good project, there's a complicated way to do it and an easy way to do it. Today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way possible. I'm not even using clamps, routers, nails. We're literally just using wood, glue, and like a wall and some books. So it's so simple. For material, I measured out the pantry and it was like 87.5 inches long and width was 15.5. So that's this piece right here. This is a 1/4 inch plywood that I got at Home Depot. And then for the front of the shelf, I'm using this 1x3 board. I'm super excited to do this. Let's get gluing. So I took the plywood and the board and I pushed it up against the wall. As you can kind of see, I put some paper towel underneath to catch any drips from the glue. But once it was pressed up against the wall, there wasn't too many warps or anything in the wood. I just lined them up together and I glued it up.
So now I'm gonna pull out everything out of the pantry and we're gonna start with a new slate. Alright, so we are all cleared out. I'm just gonna sweep down here. So now that we're all cleared out, it's officially time to get in the shelves that Johanna just finished making. Look how that just already makes such a huge difference, right? Yes. Another big issue I have in this pantry is the lighting. There's absolutely no lighting in this space, and at nighttime when you want to come and grab a snack, it's really annoying that you can't see what you're grabbing. So to solve that problem, so we got these puck lights, these LED puck lights from Home Depot for 16 bucks. Let me show you guys the title. And it comes with a remote. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these in there. The lights are officially in. All right, do we have white lights? Oh, so there are my white lights. So I do plan on adding more lights. I'm honestly probably just gonna go to Dollar Store and get those puck lights to put under for the rest of them, as long as I have at least one source of like main lights. But yeah, I'm really loving how it looks right now. So now it's officially time to style. All right, so we're gonna start by adding these cute little baskets that I got at Superstore. So I was really looking all over the place for some really affordable, cute baskets. And surprisingly, that was really hard to find. But going to the grocery store, I found the baskets that I were looking for. They were $14 each. Baskets are expensive, but for these type of baskets, those are actually affordable. So yeah, we're gonna start by styling these babies. They don't look like they're in the middle. There we go. Now I have these, the bigger version to the small ones. And I also got these at Superstore for $19 each one. I'm gonna put this right next to it. So now for the bottom shelf, I'm going to be putting back these containers that I already had, and I just got them at dollar store. But I do plan on doing some type of DIY or spray painting them to kind of go with this flow, but for right now I won't be doing that, but I will probably insert a clip if I do end up doing it. I also want to talk about some more little pieces that I picked up for the pantry. So let's get into this. At Superstore, I also found these containers here that I just finished washing, so they're still wet. Yeah, so I think I got these for like 13 or 14 bucks. They're so cute. And I love how you can lock them. So I think I'm gonna put these on the top shelf. So I also got these at Superstore. They're just like the cereal ones. Super cute, and these were on special for $5. So I was really excited when I saw these too. And I think I'm gonna put them up here also. So now I got these from IKEA. I love how tall they are to actually fit your pastas. Currently, I was using these and we had to keep breaking our pastas in order to put them in. So this was well needed. I think we only paid $7 or $8 for each one. Pantry containers are really expensive. They are really pricey. Dollarama does have options, but I really wanted it to feel bougie inside of here. So yeah, and I think we're also gonna put these up here. So now I'm just gonna speed up the process and I'm just gonna start placing the items that I already currently have. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna place them, so just watch me figure it out. Done styling, which I'm not going to be showing you guys yet. I'm going to start filling up all of the jars and containers that I have. Okay, so if you guys recall that these were all silver, I did ended up spray painting the top of these all gold to match the basket here. Alright guys, so I'm so happy the way it turned out. I'm in love with it. I think it really gives you that luxurious look. I'm so happy that we finally got rid of these metal shelves. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like the way it turned out. Would you try these on your metal shelves? Because we all know we all have these metal shelves in our pantry. So let me know in the comments. If you guys do like this type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Interior.Break. And I'll see you guys in my next video.